we'll be unboxing the Google Pixel 9 Pro, and this is the Obsidian with 256 onboard storage. So you take those stickers off. The stickers are holding it in place. There's the top layer of the box. And this has the pin, Google Pixel here. Then we have the USB-C to USB-C cable. The cable is 1 meter long. A thumb reader here. Then we have the cameras and the light. Slide it out. Very sleek looking. The weight is 0.42 pounds. We have the speaker where you charge it, take the SIM card, volume buttons, power button. It is a fingerprint magnet. It can smear very easily. This is made out of a polished finish and a durable glass back. And you can see here it has these rounded edges and it's flat. It has the camera on the front right in the middle. Doing a quick size comparison. This is the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, so you can see it's a little bit smaller. Now we're setting up the fingerprint unlock. The fingerprint has been added. I never liked the face lock. Don't look at me. Well, first let's just turn it off. If you push volume up and the power button, then we're gonna power off. Alright, and this has been the Google Pixel 9 Pro.